Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Ft.Devanshi Sharma and you are watching Mithaas Services official YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about simple tips that can help you enhance your work efficiency and productivity. In the past workshops that I have been taking with content writers, a lot of them had one common struggle. That struggle basically was to, get the ideas on their writing pad within the deadline that they have received. A lot of people complain that they have amazing ideas, but when it comes to implementation, they struggle because of the timeline. I thought about it and I thought of sharing some of the things that have worked for me in the past. The first thing, create a to-do list and put the toughest task on the morning plate, which means that start with the toughest things and then come to the lighter things towards day end. Most of the people do this, that they tick off the easier tasks first, which is beneficial for some people. But what happens here is that when you have so many things towards the day end, you kind of struggle to complete them, ultimately hampering your work-life balance and ultimately getting stuck in those deadlines. So always start with the tasks that are tougher, complete them and then come to the lighter tasks so you feel accomplished towards day end. The second thing to keep in mind is that change your work environment if you're feeling stuck creatively. As creative writers, content writers, graphic designers, your role requires a lot of creative freedom, right? It requires a lot of creative innovation as well. So when you feel stuck in that creative space, change your working environment. Go out for an hour, come back, and you're going to find yourself, bringing in a lot of ideas with you. The third thing that you could also do is read up something that's completely different from what you're writing or what you're working on. Maybe a Tinkle comic, an Archie's comic, anything that you enjoy. Just pick it up and read it. You're going to feel refreshed once you come back after reading that. The fourth thing that you can also do is to put up a focus app. There are a lot of apps that help you, remove the notifications of the social media sites when you're working. When you have those apps with you, you simply don't get notifications that can distract you and get you to Instagram or to YouTube or anywhere at all. So use that for the hours that you're writing specifically or you're working on something that's very important for you. And lastly, take a chill pill. Be breezy about your work, stay happy about what you're doing, and eventually you'll end up, bringing in much more results, much more efficiency to your work. These are few things that have really worked for me and I really hope they work for you as well. If you wish to get more such tips, more such interesting videos from Mithaas, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We do a lot of workshops on creative content and book writing, the details of which are in the description below. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and just end this video with a big huge smile. See you.